Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Hot Wheels 4 Transit Connect, and this is the treasure hunt in this case. I normally do treasure hunt unboxing on Saturdays so that you guys can watch it freely. But I'm not sure about this one, so I thought of unboxing it midweek. So I'm just saving the some good things for later, good castings for later. So let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks. I remember I did unbox for Transit Connect long back. I think so. So if you guys watched any of my videos like that, just let me know if I did actually do the video. But I do have one more casting, one more, for Transit. Either I bought it from Dubai. If I bought it from Dubai, I would have definitely did a video. But if it is from a older collection, like from 2016 or 2017, then that is not going to be there. Video is not going to be there. Okay. Okay, keep this here. So here is the treasure and logo, if you guys are wondering. So I do like the purple accent. Okay, I bought it for 179 if you guys are wondering. MRP, only on MRP. Okay, this looks like something is openable here, but maybe that just shitty metals quality control. I think so, yeah. Can you open it? I know some of the castings are supposed to be opened. Okay. Okay, I don't want to break it or anything. Okay, so out of the box, this car looks actually beautiful. The paint job on this, it has some irregularities, but still it looks really beautiful. As you can see here. Honestly, if you want to gift this to your girlfriend or your sister, that would be a this would be a perfect gift for them. Specifically if they love cars, because it has all the. See, I personally love the floral theme, so my wife loves it more. And if I'm going to give something to someone, either to my wife or my sisters, I will be giving this one because it has all the elements, right elements to it. The treasure and logo here. Okay, the body is metal and chassis is plastic. And yeah, the windows are tinted in purple, which looks really nice. And the rims are also tinted in purple. Actually, that I personally love. Okay, but there are no headlights or taillight details, which is as usual if you ask me. I am really getting tired of saying that over and over again on every video. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It doesn't roll really well, so it does have a little wheel wobble on both wheels, but it doesn't roll really well. It is not even that heavy of a casting. I'm not sure. I'm still wondering if it is openable or something. Okay, let it be then. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.